room is gonna look like from September 2025 to January 2026.
Introduce yourself and tell us your shoe size.
Hi, good morning. I'm Josephine and my shoe size is 37. Hi, I'm Belle. My shoe size is 36.
Hello everyone, my name is Annalyn and my shoe size is 35.
We have a strong here. 35 is the smallest so far. Now group 2.
Hello everyone, I'm Erica. My shoe size is 35.
Oh.
My shoe size is 35, sometimes 40.
Which one? 35. Different what's this? Alright, fine.
I'm Rahayu, my size is 35.
Oh, 35.
Hi, I'm Elisa. My shoe size is 35.
Hi, I'm Shandy and my shoe size is 36.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sandra. My size is 35.
Everyone's 35 so far. 35. Can all the 35 stay? And now, our short queens, not short queens, small queen feet. So they are our winners. Alright, thank you for that.
My shoe size is 43.
But wait, there might be other sizes. We can wait first.
I'm Teoya from group 4. My shoe size is 41. Hi everyone, I'm Irene from group 3. My shoe size is 40. Hello, my name is Kay and my shoe size is 40.
Hi, I'm Samia and my shoe size is 40.
Hi, I'm Lina from group 2. My shoe size is 41.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Francie. My shoe size is 40.
Hi, I'm Julie, group 2.
Group 2, 40.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Vincencia, group 1. My shoe size is 40.
My shoe size is 41.5.
41, okay.
Hi, good morning. I'm Tara. My shoe size is 43.
With that, both 43 candidates, please stay and everyone. As a rule of thumb, everyone, this is not including yourself as well. So you have to remove yourself from your total number, okay? So that's fine. Okay. Remember, you don't include yourself in it. Okay. Continue forward. I want to set some ground rules because everyone's like excited. As
I am Emily. We are 10 siblings and I am the 4th.
Hi, I'm Vivian. I have 9 siblings. Hello, I'm Rachel. I have 10 siblings.
I'm Linda again. I have 21 siblings. I will give you a family background. My dad has 2 wives. The first wife is 7, and then the second wife is us, 14. And then what's really interesting is that the first wife and my mom are sisters. They are sisters. So my
I'm Obi. That's how it's during the day before, like in Hong Kong.
Before? Pwede pa lang before. Pwede before. Tuto kasi. Lakin na. Lakin.
Olympian City. My building is at the 50th floor. I'm living in Element. I live in 75 floor.
I live in 56th floor. Hello, my name is Lily. I live in Tengguano and the highest floor is 60.
Again, Cynthia. I live in the 50th floor.
Okay. My name is Christina and I live in Taiwan 44. Grand Promenade 59th floor. Okay. 59.
Hi, I'm Rachel Gloria. I'm living in Riverton and 62 floor.
Hi, I'm Alin. I live in Rojas Park and 60th floor.
So we clearly know who lives at the highest floor. Alright, please stand there. One thing for sure, stay safe for typhoon. That's quite high.
Group 3 has one. Group 4, any representatives of Group 4?
It's still okay. The longest out of you guys. How many looks it? Yes? You should also tell us what would you like us to see in your city as well. So at least everyone can have and know more about what we can do in your city. Exactly. So let's start off with the left side. Time for you. You start first.
No, I'm sorry. I'm born in Karanganyar, it's in Central Java, and my place is good for nature friendly.
How many letters is in your
11.
11? Okay. So, good tourist spot for everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Shanti. I was born in Katarman, Northern Samar, but I live in Pambuan, Northern Samar. It's 30. 30. 30.
Emily Ventura from Ipil, Sibugay, Zamboanga del Norte, and the place itself is very welcoming, and the product is more on coconut tree and rubber tree. Okay. And it is 28 letters online.
I'm Veneros Napuni from the city of the Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City. 13 letters and then, ano ba? Corruption naman siguro. Ano diba? Minagot ang Marcos Bridge, baha. Okay.
Hi, my name is Lily. I was born in Bandar Lampung. It's 13-letter city, and it's very famous for elephant conservation and a very nice beach line also. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Edwin Alcantara from Luzon province. I live in Timog Magaliban, Catanduanes. My province is very nice view, plenty beaches.
How many? She didn't mention.
Hello, my name is Datri. I'm from Indonesia. Is Bandar City. Bandar City. There is Southern City in Sumatra.
Oh, how many letters?
13.
13. Okay.
I'm from Tulungagung City. My city has so many beach and hills. I 11.
Hi, good morning. I'm Aisa from Mendez Nunez, Cavite City, which is famous in Kaping Barako. And then I have 21 letters.
For everyone, what's Kape Barako?
Kaping Barako is like coffee bean. Yes.
Okay, so the winner with that would be 30 letters in the name. So the real winner here is, it's okay, angelic voice. Even though it was 6 seconds, maybe you can find her for church choir. Alright, Ate Emil is next.
That's why I'm asking if.
Breathe in, breathe
Just one note. Okay, are you ready?
Sayang yung Janet voice yun.
might beat Ate Merly. So wait.
Go, go, go. Dali, harap siya. Sa baba. Nakasibag umakyat. Umakyat na tayo siya. Ikaw na patuloy.
Okay, so clearly, Ate Merly won with 15 seconds. But the real winner here is everyone, because you guys now who took votes for their group the most would win the winner. So, not yet, don't worry. Group 1 is ready, Group 2 is ready, Group 3.
Ikaw, Pilipina versus Indonesia.
Alright, since now you guys have to face the front. Any dance step, but this is the music you're dancing to. So, alright. I will now keep quiet in 5 seconds. You guys have to gauge who's the best. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dance! Last 30-second dance. Come on, cheer for your friends. Sleepy and tired? No! That's great. Because I was thinking that if you guys are still tired, the next one will definitely make you all more excited. Can you guys guess why? Why?
More games.
Because, oh,
Hide and seek.
sorry.
Wait.
Yes. So, sorry.